Hi everyone, it's Miss Caitlin coming back to you guys again with another cooking video, and we are going to be making banana ice cream. And the first thing that we're going to do in the kitchen before we make anything is we're going to go ahead and wash our hands for 20 seconds. Wet your hands, put some soap on, make sure you get the tops and bottoms of your hands. And you're gonna rinse. Turn the water off and dry. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to gather our materials, and I actually already have them laid out for you guys. So for your materials, you're gonna have a blender, some sort of blender, and then also some Tupperware depending on how much your banana ice cream actually makes. And then for your ingredients, you have frozen bananas and some almond milk or milk and whatever toppings you decide to put in your ice cream. So some people can put nuts or fruit or, I don't know, coconut flakes. My mom wanted some chocolate cocoa powder. It's actually hot chocolate mix, but it's the same. I think it'll be fine. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our cup and let me set you guys down somewhere. We're gonna take our cup. All right, there we go. All right, gonna take our cup. We're going to put our bananas in the cup. That's a lot of bananas. All right, I'm gonna start with that for now. I don't know how much it needs to get filled. And then I'm gonna add the toppings next, or the topping. And depending on your toppings, you might need a spoon to dish it out. And then almond milk. Gonna pour the almond milk in there. Make sure you get it like wet enough. That way it's not sticking and not blending. To the cup. All right, gonna close the lid. And this is for the adult to plug in the blender. All right, we're gonna go ahead and give it a push. So yeah, so mine might have gotten stuck. Sometimes I just shake it to see if that helps the milk from getting it. No. So I am going to need to add a little bit more milk. And this is trial and error too. I have never used this blender before. So we're just testing things out. All right, put this back in, give it a little shake, make sure the milk gets onto the bananas. Look at it again. That actually looks really good. You know, again, you don't want it too thin. So I think that looks good. I think I'm gonna go ahead now and add the other bananas that I wasn't able to add before. Okay. And add a little bit more milk. All right, I'm gonna add a good portion because it seems like it's sticking. It's rather sticky. So I just don't want it to not blend. All right. Shake that a little. All right. Sometimes my blender makes noises like that. Not to scare you guys or anything. All right, let's look at this. Oh my goodness, it looks like a Frosty. Look at that, people. Oh man, that looks so good. My mom is gonna be so excited. All right, so I'm gonna unplug this because I'm done with the blender. I'm just gonna set that over there. All right, and now I'm gonna dish it into a container, which I actually need a spatula. A spatula or a spoon. So along with getting your materials, you're gonna need a spatula as well. Sorry, I didn't mention that before. I did not remember. All right. You're just gonna go ahead and scoop it in there. Right. That looks tasty. All right. All right, so it's in the container. Gonna put the lid on and go ahead and stick it in the freezer. I'm not exactly sure for how long. I would guess like 6 hours maybe, 6-7 hours. But if you want it really frozen, really, you know, compact and together, I would say like leave it overnight and stuff like that. So this is gonna go in the freezer. Once you are done, you're gonna go ahead and clean up your materials and wash your dishes and enjoy your ice cream, everybody. And give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and go ahead and email me a picture of your banana ice cream if you want. And yeah, I'd love to see what you guys create. All right, everyone have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.
One last thing I forgot to mention was if you need a visual for the recipe, there will be a link in the description down below. Thanks, guys.